16,000 times 2 didn't work. But then I did 2 times 16,000 and then it worked. What are you doing, bro? What is this? Is this a matrix multiplication or is it just not the same in both ways? Yo, bro. This makes no sense. Yo, this is one idea. Well, let me put one nice decoupling capacitor. Let me just put one extra decoupling capacitor. And we'll try again this time. Watch it be the decoupler, boy. Like, I know times 2 I could just do a left shift, but I'm just trying to wait. Oh, what is this? What is this? Interesting. Wait. Okay. What is this? What is this? Oh, I'm such an idiot. Holy. Store? Okay, now we put the 2 in here. Okay. Okay. See, it doesn't work when I do it this way. Well, that's cool because I have the reorder routine already. So instead of jumping, like right now when I'm going to subroutine, I'm leaving out the reorder, which finds the smallest number between the two and chooses that as a loop variable. But this time I'll put it through that. So maybe, no, but that's not a good sign.